The 1923 Ford T-Bucket is a classic vintage car listed at $13,000 located in Urbana, Ohio. It features a powerful 350 Chevy engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering a nostalgic driving experience for enthusiasts. With approximately 3,500 miles on the rebuilt engine and a good condition frame, this T-Bucket boasts a striking red paint and a clean title. While it is fully operational, it requires some interior work to restore its full vintage charm. Its 8-cylinder gas engine and rear-wheel drive make it a strong candidate for restoration projects or vintage car enthusiasts looking for a unique ride. This vehicle's condition makes it appealing for collectors wanting to restore or enjoy as a vintage driver, blending classic style with modern reliability. Check the link in the description for more details and photos. This stunning 1923 Dodge Brothers Roadster is a classic gem priced at $14,800, located in Port Angeles, Washington. It features a powerful 4-cylinder flathead engine paired with a smooth manual transmission, making it a joy to drive. With only 100 miles since its complete restoration 9 years ago, this vehicle is in excellent condition. The sleek black paint adds to its vintage charm, and it boasts a clean title status. Ideal for collectors or vintage car enthusiasts, this coupe is ready to hit the road. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. This listing features a 1923 Ford Model T Roadster priced at $13,000, located in Santa Clara, California. The vehicle is in excellent condition with a black paint job, and it has a clean title. Under the hood, it boasts a 355 SBC motor paired with a turbo 350 transmission, about 1,500 miles since rebuilt, making it an appealing classic for collectors or enthusiasts. The car's custom fiberglass body has been channeled, complemented by a double Z-frame with 3-inch front and 6-inch rear extensions, and it features modern upgrades like disc brakes in front, drums in back, and a Chevy Camaro rear end, ensuring better performance. It is equipped with digital gauges, Bluetooth stereo, LED lighting, and custom seats, all on rally wheels. The car is suitable for restoration or as a vintage driver, offering a unique blend of classic styling and upgraded components. With only 1,500 miles on the rebuilt engine and transmission, it's a promising project or show car. This vehicle is priced firmly at $13,000, and the seller emphasizes that no test drives will be conducted without cash in hand. Check the listing in the description for more details and photos. This 1923 Ford T-Bucket is in excellent condition with only 1,250 miles on the odometer. Priced at $11,500, this custom-built vehicle features a fiberglass body, weld wheels, and a Pontiac rear end with front spindles. Powered by a fresh small-block 400 engine with aluminum heads, a nice sounding cam, and an aluminum intake, it includes a 4-barrel Edelbrock carburetor and an electric water pump. The turbo 350 transmission provides smooth shifting, and the intake and valve covers have been powder-coated for added durability. This classic beauty has a clean title and is perfect for a vintage driver or as a restoration project. Serious buyers only, no trades. Text is preferred for inquiries. Check the link in the description for more details and photos. This 1923 Ford T-Bucket is a classic gem priced at $17,500, located in Georgetown, Kentucky. It features a powerful 1974 350 cubic inch engine equipped with a 471 blower and a brand new 650 Holley carburetor, paired with a GM 400 automatic transmission. With only 15,417 miles on the odometer, this vehicle is in excellent condition and comes with a clean title. The striking red paint adds to its vintage appeal, making it a perfect choice for collectors or enthusiasts looking for a classic driver. Additionally, the sale includes a new top kit, door kit, and wing windows, which are uninstalled. This T-Bucket is not just a car, it's a piece of automotive history that promises both performance and style. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. Up for grabs is a classic 1924 Ford Model T Roadster pickup, offered at $12,000 and located in Hutchinson, Minnesota. This vintage pickup is a true mix of Model T history with a 1924 engine, 1925 pickup box, and a 1926 rear end, all rebuilt mechanically from front to back. It features a crank start, manual transmission, and a substantial odometer reading of 100,000 miles. The clean title attests to its well-kept history. The seller is including an engine stand, original Model T toolset, and various parts and tools, making it even more appealing for collectors or anyone looking to take on a restoration project or simply enjoy an authentic vintage driving experience. Fresh rubber is already installed, making it a turnkey option for vintage enthusiasts. Whether you want to preserve its originality or make it your own, don't miss a chance to own this piece of automotive Americana. For more details and photos, check the link in the description. This 1925 Ford Model T Custom, currently offered at $16,950 in Salem, Oregon, is a true Frankenstein hot rod build with a ton of vintage character and personality. The car showcases a unique blend of classic Model T styling and custom touches, including an '83 Isuzu 4-cylinder engine and manual transmission paired with a 10-bolt rear end. With only 10 miles showing on the odometer since its custom build, this black beauty is said to run and drive impressively well. The car's history is reflected in its good condition, clean title, and a slew of hard-to-find, authentic antique parts incorporated throughout. If you're searching for a rare hot rod filled with passion and creativity, whether as a weekend vintage cruiser or a restoration centerpiece, this Model T stands out. Don't miss your chance to check out this unique creation. Visit the link in the description for more information and photos. This 1926 Model T Ford pickup is in like-new condition and boasts a full frame-off restoration carried out by a professional auto body technician, owner, over several years. With a 4-cylinder engine and manual transmission, this classic vehicle runs on gas and features rear-wheel drive, RWD. The truck has a clean title and boasts a low mileage of just 1 mile. The black paint and original factory features highlight its vintage appeal. It offers both crank and electric start options. This Canadian-built, fully stocked truck is a true piece of history, ready for restoration or use as a vintage driver. Don't miss out on the chance to own this remarkable piece of automotive history. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. Up for grabs is a truly one-of-a-kind 1928 Chevrolet Woody station wagon, offered at $16,000 in Sioux City, Iowa. This vintage classic features its original 4-cylinder gas engine and a manual transmission, combined with rear-wheel drive, creating an authentic driving experience from a bygone era. Showing 99,999 miles on the odometer and holding a clean title, this wagon has been meticulously built by renowned automotive craftsman Dean Weller, whose work resides in the Gilmore Museum. The sale includes a wealth of unique documentation, a large binder packed with hand-sketched drawings by the builder, a VCR tape chronicling the build, period photos, an owner's manual, a wall display, and even a piece of estate history. Enjoyed for several years by the current owners, this vehicle starts and runs well, described as performing just like any classic should. Whether you're looking for a showpiece rooted in American craftsmanship, or a unique, drivable classic full of character and history, this Chevy Woody checks all the boxes. Interested buyers are encouraged to call for details, and you can check the link in the description for more information and photos. This stunning 1929 Ford truck is a classic gem priced at $15,700, located in Titusville, Florida. It features a powerful 350 Chevy engine with a cam, paired with a smooth automatic transmission and a 10-bolt rear end, making it a joy to drive. With only 992 miles on the odometer, this truck is in excellent condition and has a clean title status. The custom paint adds a unique flair, while the 8-cylinder engine ensures a thrilling performance. Recently, extensive work has been done on the bed and cab, enhancing its appeal for both restoration enthusiasts and vintage drivers. This truck was originally titled as a 1923 and has a rich history, having been built for speed with high compression racing fuel lines. Don't miss the chance to own this remarkable piece of automotive history. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. Presenting a striking 1929 Ford Model A5 window coupe, currently listed at $11,000 and located in Lake Gibson, Florida. This vintage coupe is described as a great runner and comes in an eye-catching red paint. Under the hood, it features the reliable stock 4-cylinder engine paired with a classic 3-speed manual transmission, true to its era. The odometer shows just 9,572 miles, which, for a car approaching a century old, speaks to either careful use or perhaps restoration over the years. With rear-wheel drive and a clean title, this vehicle is in good condition and sports a sought-after set of features: a rumble seat for that nostalgic touch and a tilt-out windshield to enhance your classic cruising experience. Whether you're a collector looking for an authentic piece or simply love the charm of a well-preserved early Ford, this Model A offers both originality and usability, ideal for vintage driving, attending local shows, or even as a base for a show-quality restoration. If you appreciate the craftsmanship and timeless lines of pre-war American coupes, this is a great opportunity. For more photos, specs, and seller contact, check out the link provided in the description. This 1929 Ford Model A Roadster is a rare find for classic car enthusiasts. With its excellent condition, this vehicle is perfect for restoration or as a vintage driver. The car features a 4-cylinder engine, rear-wheel drive, and a manual transmission. The convertible top is in great condition, and recent upgrades include a new leakless water pump, fan, and upper radiator hose. The paint is in nice condition and shows well. The actual mileage is unknown, but the car runs well. The title status is clean, and the price is $16,000 cash. No trades are accepted. This classic car is a great opportunity for anyone looking to own a piece of history. Check the link in the description for more information and photos.